Hello my dear foodies, welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. In this video, I am going to show how to make Veg Biryani in pressure cooker, which is actually a quick and easy recipe. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more interesting recipes and hit the bell icon. Now let's get started with the process. I have washed and soaked Basmati rice for 1 hour. Now take a pressure cooker, add about 100 ml of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now let's add the dry spices, 1 bay leaf, 2 half-inch cinnamon sticks, 5 to 6 cloves and 4 cardamom pods. Saute them. Now add 2 thinly sliced onions and saute until golden brown. Add about 10 cashews and fry them. Now add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute until its raw smell is gone. Add 5 to 6 slit green chilies, 2 tomatoes chopped and saute them. Now add 1 cup of curd and mix all the ingredients well. Now add 2 tablespoons of salt or as much you are desired, 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala, handful of mint leaves and coriander leaves chopped. Now let's add the vegetables. I have taken 1 big potato diced, 1 carrot diced, 5 to 8 beans chopped and 50 grams of peas. Mix them well. Once oil is releasing, now add soaked basmati rice and mix all together gently so that the rice grain does not break. On the top of it, now add fried onions, cashews, mint and coriander leaves. Now add about 2 glasses of water and check for seasoning. Adjust the water and rice carefully. Now place the lid and switch off the flame after 2 whistles. Once the pressure is released, open the lid. And now the tasty and yummy Veg Biryani is ready. Serve it hot. enjoy this tasty veg biryani with your family and friends. You can have this vegetable biryani with some curry or plain raita. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe.